don't like it. I don't like the snow, guys. It's kind of weird. I've grown up in Colorado my whole life. I used to love the snow. I used to go skiing and snowboarding all the time. But now that I'm a fisherman, not too fond of the cold weather, guys. But this does give me another opportunity to go ice fishing, guys. So I would say that the ice is probably safe enough again. It's like mid-February. The temps have dropped down drastically out in my area, northeast Colorado. So right now it's about 25 degrees outside, and the nights have been getting down to about, like, I don't know, anywhere from 5 degrees up to like 15 degrees. So we're heading down to the pond to do a little ice fishing though, guys, to see if we can catch some fish in the ice. I'll be down there in a couple minutes. I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, guys, well, everything's looking pretty frozen. I'm sure I got plenty of safe ice out here. I'm just gonna work this little cove right here. These point comes out and these reeds, it kind of drops down and has a pretty deep little pocket right here. So I'm gonna cut a couple holes and just pop back and forth. That's the idea, at least. Ooh. All right, boys and girls, let's cut three holes. Let's get the jigging. I'm gonna start with a little, it's kind of like a little spoon with some waxies on it. It's gonna kind of be hole hopping. So right here is probably only like 3 to 4 feet deep. Right there is probably like 4 to 5. Over there is probably like 6 to 7. So like I was saying earlier, it's probably only about 25 degrees out right now. But it really doesn't feel too bad because it's not windy at all. Like I have barely any breeze. So it's really not too bad. I got plenty safe ice, for about 4 inches all the way through here. All right, guys, I just had a little munch on this hole. I switched over to the little teardrop jig with some waxies, and I mean within a couple minutes I had a bite. So it's my shallow hole too. Woo! Little kitty cat. It's kind of just dead sticking it. Alright guys, first fish. It's been about 20 minutes. I was not wanting a kitty cat, but we'll take it. Alright, numero uno. Number 1, guys. Alright, guys, put some new waxies on, drop right back down. There we go. Gosh, another little kitty cat. That one freaking hit it hard, too. Man, he came up and crushed that thing. I pulled it up about 2 inches and was kind of just letting it like dead stick there, and it just pow. Alright, man, where are all the bass at? Tell my bass friends down there that I want to see them. There's probably a bunch of those little catfish down there. Missed one there. Man, I got smacked right away. Took one of my waxies. I think I found the catfish hole again. Because I'm just dropping down there and getting smacked like over and over again. There we go. Nice fish. Oh, it's a nice catfish. What the heck? Found the catfish hole, guys. Look at that. Not anything huge, but I mean, if I was trying to eat some food right now, this guy wouldn't be looking too bad. All right, guys. Number 4, catfish number 4. That's the biggest one of the day so far. Some kitties to the ice, guys. I'm just dropping this little cast master down with some wax worms, just dead sticking it, and they're just kapowing it. Woo! Oh my gosh! I threw that guy in the hole and he jumped right back out. There we go. Another catfish. Man, these things are stacked down there. Alright, guys. Number 5. So we have found the catfish breeding grounds. I'm catching tons of little baby catfish through the ice. Let's see if there's any decent size ones mixed in there. Oh man, I already had a bite. Holy cow. I feel like this thing pretty freaking still. I'm trying not to move it a whole lot. They just like it kind of suspended and floating. There's another one. Oh, there we go. That feels like a better fish. This might be a bass, guys. Yep. There we go. That is what I'm talking about. Good old cast master. Man, that thing smoked it. I could tell right away that it was a better fish. Heck yeah, guys. Keep fishing and you'll catch them, guys. It'll come. I've been sitting here fishing the same hole, catching catfish. Dropped back down, had a nice bite. Man, that thing hit good. And out comes a nice little bass. There we go. Oh, shh. That little kitty cat. I was sitting there texting on my phone, texting my dad. Felt a little bite. That's probably the smallest one I've had. Alright guys, I gotta get ready to go. I'm gonna drop down one more time. See if I can pull out another bass. Jeez. I seriously can't even keep it down there for 2 seconds without it getting eaten. Man, I just found like the money hole for a little catfish. Another one. All right, one more time. I want to actually catch a bass. Dang, catfish are thick in here. There we go. Another one. Jeez. It's a decent size. Gosh, what's up with these catfish? Alright guys, well that's like number 5 or 6 for the catfish and 1 bass. My time's up. There we go though. Man, I might come down here and do a catch and cook here in a couple days. If I can keep coming down here and catching decent sized catfish. If you guys want to see a catch and cook with these catfish through the ice,
comment down below.
So I only had about an hour and a half, 2 hours of fish. Went down there, cut about 3 holes, caught fish on only 1 hole. So that's kind of how it happens with ice fishing. Sometimes you just got to find that lucky hole and keep dropping down. I was catching these teeny little catfish, then I caught a bigger catfish, and then a bass. And let me know if you guys want to do a catch and cook video, because I'll definitely eat some catfish. So I'll catch them through the ice. If I get some bigger ones, I'll keep them and take them home and fillet them up. So thank you guys for watching another episode of Colorado Bass. I will see you